Hello. Hello, can you hear me? Hello. Hello. Oh, I can hear you now.
Yeah, so how are you?
1 second. Good. How are you?
Thanks for asking. I have been better.
You've been better.
Yeah.
Why? What's wrong?
So are you hear me?
Yes. So you said you've been better. So
Yeah.
you're not great. You're okay.
Yeah. I am
What?
perfectly okay.
Okay, that's good. Where are you from?
Uh, I am from India.
Nice. Cool. And why did you join Cambly?
Uh, Actually, I am not that much fluent. That's why I am practicing on Cambly, and I am getting better every day because I talk with any country's tutor. So I am
Mhm.
getting any accent.
Nice. And why do you need to improve your English? Is it for your job?
Job and personality development as well.
Yep. Cool.
Yeah.
What's your job?
So I don't. I do nothing. Just learning English right now.
Yep. Okay. It's nice, relaxing. uh,
Yeah.
what job do you want to do?
If I will be good at English, then I must be a English teacher. It's
Ah,
my dream job. Yeah.
really?
Yeah.
Cool. It's a good job. And what city do you live in?
Northern part of India called Uttar Pradesh.
Okay. And what's your city like? How would you describe it?
So our city is famous for three things. First, the holy place of Varanasi, where many pilgrims go there, and second one is Taj Mahal.
Oh, that's where it is.
Yeah, it is situated in my state.
Right. So you have visited the Taj Mahal many times? Can you hear me? Hello? Oh, I can't hear you anymore. Hello? Are you there?
Yeah,
No, I couldn't hear you. Are you at work? Oh, at home.
yeah, someone has called me.
Right. I thought you were talking to someone.
Yeah,
Oh, that's okay. So have you been to the Taj Mahal many times?
unfortunately, I didn't go. It is
Really?
very near from me, so you know, mm, yeah, I couldn't.
Why not?
Because something that you live nearby, you don't know value of that thing. I think.
Yeah, I agree. I agree. Um, and have you ever traveled before around India or outside of India?
I traveled in India, not outside of India.
So, what's the best place in India? If I was going there on a holiday, where would you tell me to go?
You can go Ahmedabad, where you will find world's largest Statue of Unity,
Hmm.
and in the same state there is world's largest cricket stadium situated.
You like cricket?
Yeah, I like because it's very famous in India.
And Australia. I
Yeah,
think
yeah,
these two countries are like the biggest countries when it comes to cricket. Like Australia, India love cricket.
yeah, and Australian woman is a champion.
Sorry?
Uh, your country's woman is champion in cricket
Really?
at cricket. Yeah, because
Ah,
they won T20 World Cup, I think.
I didn't know that. That's good. Do you
It's
play
really
it? Do you do any other sports or just cricket?
uh, I used to play kabaddi in my childhood, but
Which one?
kabaddi.
Kabaddi. Karate. Fighting.
No, it's called kabaddi.
Kabaddi. How do you spell it? Kabaddi. I've never heard of this. Is it an Indian sport?
Yeah,
Kabaddi. How do you play?
I used to play at my childhood where I was going to grazing for our cow and buffaloes. That's when I was playing.
Ah, yeah, I never heard of this sport before. I'm looking at it now.
Did
Yeah.
you find?
Yeah, I'm looking at pictures of it. And I think it only exists in India, like not no other countries.
Yeah, maybe, but in India it's quite famous.
Right, kabaddi.
But it's total depends on physical.
Physical, how strong you are.
Yeah, so people play to just for physically catch someone and they hold their opposite party very tightly that they can't go to their line.
Right. Do women play this or just men?
Yeah, just men play because women can be injured.
Ah, you can injure.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Interesting.
Yeah. So in your country, what is famous sport apart
Uh,
from cricket?
yeah, so cricket and then rugby. Have you heard of rugby?
Rugby, I just heard that, but I don't know.
It's like they catch the ball and they run and they tackle each other. So, like with the football, like soccer, we use their feet. That's like popular in Europe. But yeah, in Australia, we like rugby where they catch it and they run with the ball. Um, yeah, I think. And a lot of Australians like surfing if they live near the beach. I don't like surfing, it's very difficult. um, yeah, they're probably the most popular sports. Golf. Um, yeah.
Yeah. So do you do any physical exercise for being refreshed?
Yep. I don't really play any team sports, but I like to walk a lot, sometimes run. I try to do a bit of yoga and swimming. I swim a lot.
Yeah, I also know how to swim
Oh, really?
because in our village there is a river where I could swimming. But right now I rarely go to swimming. Otherwise, before 4 or 5 years, I
Mm,
used to go with my lots of friends. I was playing in that river throughout the day.
right. So, what do you do for fun then? Like, if you're not studying? what's like the fun thing to do? Is swimming something for fun?
Yeah, swimming and walking with our friends, and mostly the most enjoyable thing that when I be with my friends, because
Mm.
when you become adult, that time you do a lot of mockery with your friends from
Like,
what's way at any topic. Yeah, you just feel laughing.
right. So there's a lot of jokes happening.
Yeah, jokes and gossips going on.
How old are you?
Can you guess?
I don't know. 25.
Yeah, nearly 25. I'm just 27 years old.
27. Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Right. So are you married?
No,
No.
but
Okay.
I am thinking because my family is forcing me to do marriage,
Hmm.
but I think I must do something great. After that, I should marry because in this era, if you are don't earning much, so you can feel very difficulties because marriage is not that things. It's you will feel a lot of pressure after marriage. I think.
Hmm.
Yeah, because you do marry and after that you become parents. So that time you need to do uh, a lots of things which you don't think before marriage. So that's why.
Yeah, I guess when you become married and have family, that becomes your whole responsibility. So, yeah, if you want to do other things in life, like to do that before. Is that what you mean?
Yeah. So uh, in in this May, after 2 months, I will go to see a girl which is selected my family. So if I will I will like her. I get married.
Nice. So you don't know who she is? You haven't met her before or seen her? Or you do know her?
Yeah, I didn't see her, but some of her pic I saw, but in that pic, I don't consider that I should reply that I am ready or not because I want to see her in front of me. After that, I will decide.
Yeah, you have to meet in person to know if you feel like a special connection, I think. A photograph wouldn't do that.
Yeah, absolutely. So
Mhm. Right. Is she from the same city as you?
yeah, it's from same city and same caste.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So according to you, what is the perfect age for marriage?
Perfect age? There's no perfect age. Everyone's different. I feel like you can be 18 or you can be 50 when you get married. It's just depending on your life, how you feel. There's no right or wrong time. But for
Yeah,
me, I think I will get married next year.
yeah. So I think people should mature first of all. Age doesn't matter.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, because if you don't have mature, then I think if you feel little bit, think you can break up with your wife, your husband. So maturity is very necessary, I think.
Yeah, I think if you're married too young, uh, people change, you know. When you're 18, you think this is who you are and what you want. But when you're 28, you're like a different person and then you get divorced. So, yeah, I think it's better to live your life a bit first and travel or study or do things you want to do and then focus on marriage.
Right.
It's my opinion anyway. It was really nice to meet you. Thank you so much. It was a good
Yeah,
conversation.
yeah. Same here. I really enjoyed talking to you.
Hmm. Okay, have a great day or night, day, whatever it is.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.